Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the process of combustion from the lesson Combustion, Fuels and Flame of 8th class physics. And in this module, we need to discuss about the necessities or needs for the process of combustion. And here we start with a question: what is needed for the process of combustion? To understand this, let us do an activity 2. Aim of this activity is testing the necessity of air for burning. Take a small burning candle and put it on a table. Yes, we have taken, but here we have taken 2 and we light it up. Invert a glass tumbler over one of it. Yes. And the candle continues to burn for some time, and after that it just shut off. Okay, finally the flame goes off. And again remove the tumbler and again light the candle up. And put the tumbler back over the candle and leave some little gap at the bottom so that it tries to flicker. When the candle flame begins to flicker, remove the tumbler up and the flame continues to go on. So what happens to the candle here? Notice carefully. We find that putting the glass tumbler over the candle cuts off the supply of air and the candle flame glows off. This experiment proves that air is needed to burn a material. And some other experiments need to be conducted to prove that oxygen present in the air supports the combustion. Let us go on. We can carry out an experiment to demonstrate that oxygen helps in burning. Aim of this activity is to prove that oxygen helps in burning. And the materials required are a test tube holder, a spirit lamp, a matchbox, incense stick, potassium permanganate crystals. So these are the required materials to perform this activity. Procedure: light a scented or incense stick and let it burn for 10 seconds, then put off the flame and keep it aside like this. Take potassium permanganate in a test tube and hold the test tube with a test tube holder and heat it over the flame of spirit lamp. When potassium permanganate is heated, oxygen gas is released. And while oxygen gas is releasing from that test tube or potassium permanganate, insert the incense or agarbatti stick with the burning stub into the test tube. Let us see what happens. Yes, we lighted up the spirit lamp and we have taken potassium permanganate crystals in a test tube and we take it with the help of a tongue and we kept on heating, and some gas is releasing out, that is oxygen, and take the incense stick and keep it at the mouth. Then it starts burning with a fire now. From this activity, the observations will be: stick starts burning with a flame. Here oxygen supports combustion by helping the incense stick to burn with a bright flame. We know that oxygen is the only gas releasing from the test tube. And a few more examples to the above are: a slow fire burns into a flame when air is blown into it. You can see the image of that. If a large quantity of dry grass is set on fire in forest, and it is very difficult to put off the fire because lot of oxygen is available there to catch the fire. And when an object catches fire, the fire is put off by covering with sand or a blanket so that we can cut off the supply of air, so that we can cut off the supply of oxygen too.